In this video, we're going to talk about how to approach real estate investing as a way to buy things on your bucket list. So if you've got a dream bucket list of vacations you want to take, maybe a dream car you want to purchase, or maybe upgrading homes to your dream home, or purchasing different toys like, snowmobiles, snowboards, or boats, jet skis, you've got a list of things you've thought about that would be cool to have in life. Now, as you start to think about spending your hard-earned money from your job, you might start to feel guilty spending that money because you know that you could be doing other things with that money than blowing it on these expenses. So why not think about the longer-term approach of investing that money into an asset like real estate, where you can take your initial capital and you can actually grow that capital and make the gains on that capital, and then take those gains and use those gains to go buy things on your bucket list. So for example, you could go fix and flip a house, maybe make $30,000 profit flipping a house. Now you have $30,000 you can go spend on a new car, for example, and not feel guilty about it, because that's $30,000 you didn't have before. So maybe you had $50,000 and you flip the house with that 50, so now you've got 80. So again, you go spend that 30 that you just made on the flip, so now you're back to your original 50 that you had before. So you didn't actually have to tap into that 50, you still have that $50,000 in your pocket. You didn't have to go spend it and blow it and feel guilty about it. Instead, you invested it, you grew it to 80, and you went and took some of those profits that you now had and spent those. So you still got what you wanted, but you used the profits to buy it, so you still get to retain the initial capital. So this is the smart way to approach handling money, investing, and then going and having fun with your investment gains. It's not all about trying to make as much money from your investments and then never spending it. The whole point of investing money is to be able to defer spending today to down the road. So instead of spending that money today, we're investing it, we're growing it, so that someday in the future we can spend that money. So again, treat real estate investing as a way to get extra income, to make extra money, profits on your original capital, and then go spend that extra income, those extra profits, guilt-free. And that's how you can start checking things off your bucket list by using real estate investing.